viewers, hope you are fine and doing well. Welcome to our cozy Christmas world where creativity meets mindfulness and everything handmade piece tell a story. In today's video, we will explore handmade Christmas tree craft and creative DIY ideas that bring warmth, sustainability, and beauty to your home this festive season. Whether you love rustic charm, eco-friendly recycling, and sparkling holiday elegance, these handmade Christmas tree ideas will truly inspire your holiday decoration. So grab your geotrope, burlap pine cones, and imaginations, and let's begin this joyful creative journey together. So let's start with nature's own materials, rustic handmade trees crafted from twigs, pine cones, and burlap. Collect a few dried branches, tie them in triangle from using jute string and decorate with my pine cones, cinnamon sticks, and dried orange slice. This simple yet elegant craft not only recycles natural materials but also fits your space with a soothing wonderland for a cozy farmhouse. Amazing look. Wrap small wooden cones or cardboard in the burlap and add handmade felt ornaments. Each touch reminds us that beauty often lies in simplicity. And mindfulness begin with the slowly down to create something with our own hand. You can also add your kids for this lovely fun. Now let's talk about recycling joy. Old newspaper, cardboard, and glass jars can be transformed into a mini Christmas amazing tree full of charm. Roll the newspaper into a cone, glue layer by layer, and paint them green, silver, or white. You can also add golden color as per your desire. Add a sprinkle glitter or wrap them in a twist for a vintage look. Even bottle caps or wooden clothespins can become a tree ornaments, perfect for teaching kids how to reuse and reduce waste while having fun. Each recycle craft is not just decoration, it's a message of sustainability, mindfulness, and gratitude for what we already have. Most of things at our home it's become transformed into a amazing and beautiful Christmas ornaments. So next let's explore the warmth of handcraft fabric trees made from felt yarn and crochet. Cut green felt into layered triangle, stitch the edges with contrasting thread, and stuff lightly with cotton for a soft 3D look. Use colorful buttons, beads, or lace as ornaments. Every detail add love and texture. If you enjoy crochet or knitting, teeny yarn trees can make perfect table or gift decoration. They are coming to make and bring a sense of peaceful rhythm. The kind that nurtures both creativity and mindfulness during busy holiday. Remember the time you spent crafting is a form of meditation, a pause from the world filled with joy and self-expression. For those who adore earthy notes, jute, burlap, and woodcraft are perfect. Wrap jutings around a cone base, glue gently, and top it with a wooden star and teeny bells, lace, ribbon, or artificial berries or buttons for contrast. You can even reuse old wooden board to design flat wall mount Christmas tree, beautiful minimalist decor with smaller space. These crafts not look elegant but also connect us with the raw beauty of handmade tradition. You can also hold on the bottom and top and hang on the wall for your door, your wall, your windows. crafting handmade Christmas tree is not just about decoration, it's about togetherness. Invite your children, family, friends to join you and make a beautiful journey and blast is Christmas. Share story.